Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco F4. For that you will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for show together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, and if you want you can send this screenshot directly to your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just to show together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now, you're in the preview, by the way, you have also the chance to edit a screenshot. Now you can draw something inside, you can highlight something if you want. And if you go in the corners or you're on the blue bars here on the side, you can crop also a part here of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status. It works, and if you're ready with your editing, just tap here on the checkbox and it's part of your gallery. And as I said, there's another way to take a screenshot. For that, just scroll down right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, and then you will have here the control center. And the part of the control center is here the icon with the scissor. Just tap on it and you're having a screenshot as well. And the third way is the coolest way, I think, because you need just 3 fingers for scroll them across the screen and you have a screenshot as well. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. And where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And they're mixed up with the photos here and so on. This is the reason why I recommend to you to go on the albums. Because here the albums, the screenshots have their own folder just for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.